In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create event on Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to make your event look polished and easy for people to find. Start by opening Facebook in your browser or the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to use. Next, switch from your personal profile to your page. Click your profile at the top and choose the option to act as your page. You'll know you're in the right place when your page's name and profile image appear in the top bar. On the left-hand menu, look for Events. This is your page's dedicated space for organizing and showcasing upcoming happenings. Click Events to open the event dashboard, where you can see past and future events tied to your page. Now click the button that says Create New Event. This opens the Event Setup window. Here, you'll fill in the essentials that visitors will use to decide if your event is right for them. Start with the event name. Keep it clear and specific so people instantly understand what it is. Short, descriptive titles work best, and including a key detail like the format or theme can help. Next, set the date and time. Choose the correct start date and start time, and confirm the time zone is accurate for your audience. If an end time field is available, set that too so attendees know how long to plan. For location, choose either a physical address or select a virtual option. If it's in person, enter a complete address so maps and directions work correctly. If it's virtual, indicate the platform you'll use. Being precise here helps reduce last-minute questions. Add a description that gives people everything they need to feel confident attending. Share the purpose, what to expect, any materials or preparation required, and who will benefit most. Clear, friendly language goes a long way. Upload a cover photo to make the event stand out. Use a high-quality landscape image with minimal text so it displays well across devices. A clean, branded visual helps your event look professional and trustworthy. Once you've reviewed the details for accuracy, click Create Event. Your event is now live and public on your page. That means visitors can view the details and share the link right away. If you notice a typo or need to refine the wording later, you can return to the event and make edits without starting over. And that's it. Your Facebook page event is ready for your audience.